not only, and I say this loud and clear, not only do I do amazing things on amazing objects, I'm also a nature man, if you want to call it, nature guy. Take a look here. Tasty midnight snack. You see here in the heat of the summer, this is actually a roaring river. A waterfall cascades down there, about 12,000 feet. Not a lot's known about it, but if you can see here, the dense wildlife compacted into one tiny area, you can see the salamanders will not survive. The few bugs will not live to fly another day. And if you come down here, don't touch the water, it's incredibly poisonous. I know. I've done this for a long time. You just come over here, and we see the edge. This is normally where the waterfall cascades down. You know, I ventured here a few times in my life. I don't come here often because it's very dangerous. You know, by fall it dies down. And as you can see here, if this was midsummer, I would be down there. I would be dead. As you can see here, you get a nice close-up on this. You can see the water like a queen bee just coming down. And these leaves are actually the hippopotamus leaves. They only bloom late spring, and you know, the plants stay around for till summer, and then they die in the fall. Ooh. And if we come over here, take the glasses off for this description. You can see more cascading features of the land. And you know, you gotta kind of cut into the thorns here. They're poison tips, so I advise you not to come near. Oh! Oh! That happens a lot, and see, I almost died there. Luckily, for my nature skills, I was able to survive. Wow. Nature is dangerous. Mother Nature, she'll get you. Adrenaline. Alright. We're going to come down here now. Oh, Jesus. Everything's dying, see? It's because the atmosphere is a little moister than normal this year. Oh. Oh. This is why I do this. Right here. Right here. Gorgeous. You getting this? You getting this? Right there. Absolutely stunning view. And if you could actually see, this waterfall is about 4 miles. It looks very small. We are very far away from it. In fact, we are so far away, I need to yell. The sound of the waterfall is about 700 decibels above my voice. I need to yell. As you can see, the leaves here hey, all right, we're back. The leaves down there are very large. The trees, as you can see, right there, grow to be about 700,000 feet. Now if we're gonna come down here, seems we're, you know, a lot of times I like to eat these. These are called chili berries. Sometimes it's not advised to touch them. The touch is extremely toxic, but if you happen to get them in your bloodstream, then it cures diseases, and the problem would be ingesting it. That's the reason we can't do this. You'd have to inject it into your own bloodstream. So I'm not going to eat that. But that's the end of our waterfall scene here. I was astounded today by the nature. I was just fascinated. There's some graffiti over there. I'm looking at a table that says balls, and that honestly just sickens me. That how do you look at the elegancy in this? Look at how gorgeous that is. Look, if you can see here that by the dots, it means it's 70 years old. My point being that nature finds a way.